Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where crypto is made simple. In this channel, we only look on the pure facts in the chart. We stay away from the noise, stay level-headed and calm. And what I also help you do is stay ahead of the curve. If you like what I'm sharing with you guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump in. And as usual, we always like to start from higher time frames and then go to lower time frames. In today's video, I'm going to start with the 6-month time frame. This is Bitcoin's chart on the 6-month. Each candle represents 6 months of price action. And what we have over here, we're closing this month in 24 days, and this close so far it seems like a bullish engulfing candle on the 6 month, which is a good thing, a momentum shift to the upside. And then we'll jump into the monthly time frame. As you can see, we had our phase 1 rally. We came right to this white line at 31k, met with resistance which used to be previously support. We had a slight downturn. Prices recently touched 25.5k and now flipping this current level as support. This level which also used to be resistance and support over here back in May 2022. And so far we're seeing a huge wick to the upside, which is strong buying pressure in the big picture. Our monthly RSI, the snap RSI, like we said in previous video, don't be surprised if the RSI comes down and tests the red line as support, just like previous cycles. What you have also here on the RCI lines, the red is still above the green line. We spoke about it in previous video. As long as it's above, it's fine. It's just a matter of time. Markets might need some time to build momentum, just like in 2015. We covered some details in previous video. What we have also here on the TDIGM, also probably sideways action until the green line probably gets supported on the red line, just like we said in previous video. In Bitcoin in Q2 and Q3, some months of sideways price action, nothing happening until we break back above the yellow line. Let's jump into smaller time frames to see what's happening. We're now on the weekly time frame. This is a chart I've been showing you guys for the past 2-3 months or more. We spoke about the golden cross and death cross on the weekly time frame. We've been battling with this red line as support. Like we always say, wicks, you want to concentrate on the candle close. Wicks tell a story, but the candles tell you the fact. We had our phase 1 rally, like discussed in previous videos, into a critical level of resistance back in April. We came back down to the red line. We wicked exactly to 25.3k. Like I always say, markets are always based on support and resistance. We got rejected back in April. We came down, we tested this level, we untouched this level, which flipped into a support. You can see over here with this current week, also over here, all the touch points on the white line, also here in May 2022. And what we have also over here on the stochastic RSI, our momentum on the market, we spoke about it in previous video. The market is losing momentum and we're watching for a cross of the stochastic RSI, the fast line, the blue line crossing above the slow line, the orange line, so we can gain back momentum to the upside and expect some price action to the upside. Let's jump into another smaller time frame. This is the golden cross and death cross, but on the 3-day time frame, which is also known as kiss of death. We came right to the green line, to the 50-week moving average, tested it as support, and we're waiting for some momentum to see some price action or probably break to the upside. Another tip to watch, of course not everyone has this indicator, but right now we're scheduled to have a golden cross by first week of August. Of course, if price action breaks to the upside, the cross happens earlier. If price action falls to the downside, the cross gets extended. We'll watch and see in the near future to stay updated. In general, we're getting to the end of this tightening and closer and closer to a golden cross. Let's jump into the daily time frame also to see price action through a different lens. So we're currently on daily time frame, and what we have over here, 50, 100 and a 200 daily moving average. What you want to be watching in the near future is a break back above the 50, the 100 level, claim it as support, which also coincides with this current channel. Let's watch and see how it plays out in the near future. Of course, I'll keep you guys updated. And the last chart I want to leave you guys out with is this, and I'm going to show you this indicator that I consider as a super weapon. This is this NVT HV. I showed this indicator back in the days, network value transaction, and the HV is the historic volatility. And what you want to watch for in the near future is the line over here. Every time we dip below the yellow line, the 40 level, and we come back up above the yellow line, we have to check the color. If it stays in red and goes above the yellow line as red, it means a huge move to the upside. If we peak above and the color changes to white, it means a bearish move to the downside. Very simple. We'll give some update on this chart hopefully next week or the upper week, depending on price action at the weekly close. If you like what I'm sharing with you, as I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay notified whenever I post the video, and don't forget to click the bell button for notification. Cheers. See you on the next one.